A real-life Squid Game is being organized in United Arab Emirates.
이거 뭐야? 나 주는 거야?
네 오늘 가영이 생일인 건 알지?
The Korean Culture Center in United Arab Emirates is organizing a Squid Game-themed event where two teams of 15 people will be competing to win customized green tracksuits. Sadly though, there is no prize money. So what is Squid Game? Squid Game is a thriller from Korea that started on Netflix, where 456 cash-strapped contestants play a series of fatal children's games for the chance of winning roughly $38 million in prize. It's 45.6 billion won. The show portrays a dystopian world where a mysterious organization gathers people who are in large amounts of debt and living on the edge. Apparently the games played in the movie are popular among Korean kids. The creator of the thriller took inspiration from the games he played in his own childhood. He wanted to keep the rules simple so that the show could focus on the characters. The idea behind organizing a Squid Game-themed event in United Arab Emirates is to introduce Korean culture and the childhood games they played with the people of the United Arab Emirates. During the event, 4 out of the 6 games seen in the Netflix series will be played: red light, green light, dalgona candy, marbles, duck G, paper flipping. The event will last for 2 hours and will be held in tournament-style sessions. The eliminated players will get to watch the rest of the games from the sidelines. All participants will be dressed in Squid Game logo printed t-shirts, but the event staff will be wearing the guards' costumes from the movie: pink color circle, square and the triangle costumes. How to apply? All applicants must fill out a form where they will have to answer 3 questions that test their basic knowledge of the Squid Game series. Good news is nobody will be slapped just to get invited to the games. There is a great chance that this event is not going to be the first and the last of the Squid Game themed events. The series turns anything that reminds of the series into global trends. Here are a few examples. The maker of the dalgona candies for Squid Game was so swamped with customers that he didn't go home for a week. Outfits in the show are also being snapped up in physical stores and also online. Stores like Etsy, eBay, Amazon. White slip-on sneakers, green retro tracksuits, reddish pink jumpsuits, and the intricate mask worn by the enigmatic frontman are skyrocketing in popularity. The movie inspired countless Halloween costumes. Think about Squid Game themed Halloween parties. Because there is no officially licensed costume, people got really creative with their DIY costume ideas. Video tutorials on how to create Squid Game costumes are trending on both YouTube and TikTok. Netflix rightly predicted the movie could become one of the most popular series on their platform, but it looks like it surprised its creators.